Hey guys, it's me, Maya Evelina. Welcome back to my channel. This is my 7th video, I think. So I'm officially a YouTuber because I keep uploading videos, I keep making them, and maybe I only have 7 subscribers. With my 7th video, maybe I can get 8. That would be awesome. I feel like an official YouTuber because I keep uploading videos, and I don't think it really matters how many subscribers I have as long as I keep making videos. And a handful of people keep watching them. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I save money by not going to a nail salon, basically grow out my nails. You see this? This is the longest and most uniform they've ever been in my whole life, and it's all thanks to at-home gel nail polish. Yes, at-home gel nail polish. And you don't have to go to a nail salon and spend $40 to $60 to get them done. You can do them at home by yourself and save tons of money and be fabulous, because who doesn't want to be fabulous? So without further ado, let's get started. Also, do you like my pajamas? They're so cute, so cozy. I got them at TJ Maxx.
Alrighty, so to get started, we're going to want to prep our workspace with all the things we're going to need, including some gel primer, nail primer, or dehydrator. We're going to need a gel nail glue or / base coat and a top coat. We're going to need your gel colors. This is the exact one I have. It's really great. And if you want to do art or be creative, you can get some tools to help you do that. And this is an affordable one with lots of pieces. And of course, you're going to need a UV nail light to cure your nails. So getting started, I'm just showing you my nails once again. Here's the before. They're long and healthy now from this. So the first thing we're going to do is prep our nails with the dehydrator or primer. And this is just going to help the gel stick to your nail better because it kind of dehydrates your nail and takes away some of the oils that could make it peel. And it's easy because you don't have to cure it. You can just let it dry. Next, we're going to put on our base gel. It's going to be kind of like a glue for the color. Also, try not to get this on your skin because it'll cause your nails to peel earlier than you wanted to, so just clean it up. Then we will have to cure this, so I would cure it for about 30 seconds since you're going to put color on top of that as well. Do your other hand. I'm going to speed through. So after we applied our base, we're going to add color. This one is really similar to my, natural nail color, but it's just going to make my nails look a little bit more perfect and a little bit more uniformed. So we can add a creative design on top and it just kind of blends and feels professional. We're going to cure this next layer and we're going to cure it for about 60 seconds so that we can bind that color with that base gel. Once we added our first color, we can get into the creative fun colors and create like a design on our nails. So I bought this nail polish kit. I think it was like $26. I flashed it up on the screen so you can take a look for yourself. But this comes with so many colors, so many to choose from. So I think I'm going to choose 5 and 1 for each nail and have a colorful French tip. Here you can see the colors I chose. Ooh. Okay, so I have these like little brushes and I think I'm going to use this one on the right. It's kind of flat and I can stamp the color on to create that French tip effect. This brand creates these super pretty, super pigmented looking colors like this pink. Oh my god, so gorgeous. It's like the perfect baby Barbie pink. When you're doing your nail art, you can have a nail polish remover right next to you and clean up any mistakes. And it's very forgiving. This is like the best way to learn how to do nail art, I think, is with gel nail polish because it dries so fast and you can edit it really easily without messing up the base. When I'm doing my French tips, I just initially stamp a line to have a path to just fill in, kind of like a coloring book. So I'll stamp a line across my nail and then I'll fill in the rest of the tip. And it's been really easy. I always thought it was going to be so difficult, but it's much easier than I anticipated. And I'm loving the color scheme that I picked out. Finally, when you're done with your color and you're done with your nail art, you can put a top coat on and that'll seal the deal. If you don't put a top coat on, it definitely won't last you more than 3 days. Lucky if you last 2 days, TBH. You're going to cure the top coat for at least 60 seconds to seal the deal, and your nails might feel a little tacky after, so you can take isopropyl alcohol and wipe them down, and that'll take away any tackiness. I've never been to a nail salon and I'm not a professional, so maybe everything I did in here is a little wrong, but this is what works for me and what helped me save a lot of money and how I grew out my nails to the length they are now, which I'm really proud of. And look how pretty it turned out. So unique and actually perfect for Pride Month. This can last me from 1 to 2 weeks, just depends. I probably change it once a week because I like to switch it up a little bit. So if you enjoyed this video and you found this informational, please like and subscribe and turn on the bell button so you can stay tuned for my future videos that are coming soon.